Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about skincare for teenagers and sharing some DIY skincare recipes that are perfect for young skin. As a teenager, your skin is going through a lot of changes, and it's important to take care of it properly to keep it looking healthy and radiant. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the DIY skincare recipes, let's talk about the basics of teenage skincare. First and foremost, it's important to keep your skin clean. That means washing your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser and using a toner to remove any remaining dirt and oil. You should also be using a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated, and don't forget to apply sunscreen every day to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Another important aspect of teenage skincare is exfoliation. Exfoliating helps to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores, which can help prevent breakouts. However, it's important not to overdo it. Exfoliating too often or using harsh products can actually damage your skin. Finally, it's important to pay attention to what you're putting into your body. Eating a healthy diet and drinking plenty of water can do wonders for your skin, as can getting enough sleep and managing stress. Now that we've covered the basics of teenage skincare, let's move on to some DIY skincare recipes that are perfect for young skin. Honey and cinnamon face mask. Honey and cinnamon are both natural antibacterial agents, which can help prevent acne and keep your skin looking clear. To make this face mask, simply mix equal parts of honey and cinnamon together in a small bowl. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Green tea toner. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, which can help protect your skin from damage and keep it looking youthful. To make a green tea toner, steep a green tea bag in boiling water for a few minutes. Once it's cooled down, transfer the tea to a spray bottle and spritz it onto your face after cleansing. Oatmeal face scrub. Oatmeal is a gentle exfoliant that can help remove dead skin cells and unclog pores without damaging your skin. To make an oatmeal face scrub, simply mix together some oatmeal and water until you have a paste. Gently massage the paste onto your face in circular motions, then rinse off with warm water. Avocado face mask. Avocado is rich in healthy fats and vitamins, which can help nourish your skin and keep it looking radiant. To make an avocado face mask, mash up a ripe avocado in a small bowl. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. And there you have it, some DIY skincare recipes that are perfect for teenagers. Remember to always take good care of your skin by keeping it clean, moisturized, and protected from the sun. And if you try any of these DIY skincare recipes, let us know how they work for you in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.